This is day 5 of 7, and right now we just got to Founders City Park in Isla Mirada. We're using the beach. So there's Houston and Dano, and then we set up our little spot right here. It's kind of windy today, but we got on the bay side of the Keys, so we're a little bit more out of the wind. Grandma. Hi. What are you doing? Fish? Fish and fish and boat, right? Your 2 favorite new words this week. Where's Dad? We're going on an evening walk for sunset, but I think it's too overcast to see anything, and it's also pretty windy tonight, so we'll see.
If it's not windy or not sunny. Police boat. What was that crab doing? What was that crab doing?
It's just a little bit windy. You might lose your head if it wasn't attached to you. Houston, what are you cooking in there for Mom?
Playa Largo Resort. We're gonna have breakfast and then walk around.
And the restaurant's called La Marea. Go. Here's the pool and the golf. Really pretty.
Really? Did you almost eat your whole banana? Where's your bird friend? Where'd they go? Berries. Blackberry. Want a couple more of these? Blueberries.
This looks like such a nice resort. Houston will have to come back here someday, right? Houston's napping, so I just came down to the pool having a little mommy relaxing time and going to just take advantage of the sunshine while I can before we go back to snowy Minnesota.
We're going on a day outing, me and Nancy, to Sombrero Beach and Marathon. We got the cooler packs, and we got all our goodies and lawn chairs and umbrellas in there, and it's going to be a fun day.
The bag for the day
and it's just
and
a grandma and grandpa outing on their own, and Joss and Dano and Huey are going to do their own thing.
All right, you have fun, and maybe we'll get to go out to dinner tonight together.
Right. Maybe
And
a little
it's
lazy
day
days
6
there,
of
Laura.
7. And
Wow.
date.
Okay, love you. Have fun.
Yep, you too. Houston, get in the basket and I'll bring you for a ride. We make our own fun on vacation.
Basket?
Get in. Get in. Hop in, I'll take you for a ride. Who needs one of those cars when you can just do this? Whee! See ya. Bye-bye. Houston, are you holding your dad's oar for his kayak? We're going to the pool. Dad's gonna try kayaking in the little lagoon at Kawama. We got everything packed up. There's Dano getting the kayak. Whoa, what's Dad got? What does Dad got? All right, let's go. Say hi. Can you wave? Show Dad. Whee! Where's your noodle? Get your noodle. Nuno. That's Dad's sandwich. That's Dad's sandwich. We're having a picnic on the beach.
Stand super still. Look. Look at them all go. Look at. out there. Cool. Oh, do you want to?
Wait. I was holding him like this. What is that? What is that? What is
Cookie?
cookie? Houston, what is that? You having a cookie? Another sunset walk after a big fat family nap. Hi. Puppy. Here's dinner tonight, the Pilot House. We're coming for happy hour apps. Here's our dinner spot. There's our table, and then they got the colored lights so you can see all the fish. Houston and Dano are in heaven. Houston, do you like looking at the fish?
That's not a ball.
Fish tacos, shrimp, and chicken fajita. Grandpa took Squirrely Whirly. Alright, we got the
What
food.
did we do? Houston, what did we do? We explored, we explored boats. We've seen a kitty.
A kitty?
We've seen tuna towers.
Houston, did you have fun?
Oh,
That's
man.
funny. Welcome to the world famous Caribbean Club.
This is where the movie was.
Yeah, the movie Key Largo.
It's not as bad as it sounds. We had three together.